Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here. My cookbook. Well, it's not actually the cookbook, it's just what they call a dummy book, because when I open it up, if you see, it's blank. But it does show you what the book will look like, and it does signify that we have entered the pre-ordering phase. The cookbook will be coming out in early June, but now you can pre-order it, so as soon as it drops, it'll end up in your mailbox. I love this book so much, and I just need to take you through some of the features. First of all, it's a beautiful hardcover book with a linen binding. I love the look of this book. It's heavy, it feels really high quality. One of my favorite high quality features is a ribbon to mark your place. I just love that. It's so old world. The other thing that you will love about this cookbook is there is a photograph of every single recipe in here. And here is a little sneak peek. The back will show you some of these recipes. It opens flat, so when you're cooking, you don't lose your place. Each recipe also has a note section where I give you tips and tricks to help you assure success. These are the types of things that I typically impart in my videos, and I didn't want those to go away. Each recipe also includes a little game plan to help you manage the prep. In this book, you'll also find 8 seasonal menus for fall, spring, summer, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and beyond. And I've included menu game plans as well to help you manage the prep of the whole menu. Does this sound like a book you want in your library? I hope so. Click the link below and you'll be able to find out all the pre-ordering information there. And to make holiday gift giving a little bit more fun, we've also created this really cute downloadable PDF that you can print out, write in your recipient's name, and wrap up. So to celebrate the pre-ordering phase being open, today I'm going to show you how to cook the cover. And if you're looking to make this strata part of your Christmas brunch, I developed 4 additional recipes that are not in the book to help round out your menu. It's free to download for anybody who wants it, just as my special thanks for just enjoying my channel all of these years and coming along with me on this journey of book publishing. So you can click the link below to download the menu. All right, let's get to making this delicious strata. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is saute your leeks. So you're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. To that you want to add 3 leeks that you've cut into half moons. One of the reasons I chose this recipe for the cover is because it really does sum up the spirit of the book, which is easy and delicious recipes that will bring people to the table but won't take you all day in the kitchen. Once your leeks look like this and they're nice and golden brown and sauteed, you can set them aside to cool. Next, we're going to crack 8 eggs into a large bowl. Then you want to season to taste with a little bit of salt and freshly cracked pepper. Then you just want to whisk up your eggs until they're all combined. Then we're going to add a half a cup of milk and a half a cup of heavy cream. This is going to create a really delicious custardy base for our bread. Then for a little flavor, you want to add 1/3 cup of a dry white wine. You could use Chardonnay, you could use Sauvignon Blanc. Also want to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then you also want to add 2 tablespoons of freshly minced chives. Whisk that all together until combined. Now we're ready to add our bread. So I'm working with a rustic French loaf here. You can use an Italian loaf. Just look for something that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I've cut it into 2-inch cubes, and then we're going to add it to the egg mixture. And make sure the bread is completely soaked with the egg mixture. And now we're gonna add our ham and our cheese. So I have 6 ounces of deli ham. You can use Black Forest ham. I'm using a French ham. And then you're also gonna add a half a cup of shredded Gruyere cheese and our cooled leeks. And then you can mix that all up until everything is combined. Then I have a 9x14 greased gratin pan. And the gratin pans really help because that way everybody gets a little bit of the crispy part. After it's sat in your refrigerator overnight, you're going to transfer it to your gratin pan, top with the remaining Gruyere cheese, and then put in your oven at 375 for just 40 minutes. You'll know that it's done when it's crispy on top and the egg is set and there's no more liquid. You can garnish with some fresh chives and then bring it oven to table. And when you dig into it, you will see just how luscious and delicious the bread mixture is, flavored with the cheese and the ham and the wine and the mustard. It is the king of brunch dishes. So if you've been waiting for this book and you want to be one of the first people to get it in your hot little hands, then pre-order.